Hey Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers. Welcome. I'm Dripcess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
Stanna mig det, och det gotta be
So, as you can see by the title, in this video I'm going to be showing y'all how I have my makeup last throughout the whole day without it being oily and looking shiny and everything like that, because I do have oily skin. So before, my makeup used to be very like oily and shiny, and yeah, but I feel like I found the right products to prevent that. And yeah, so it really all comes down to like your skincare routine. So when I'm done like wiping my face and stuff, I go in with this. Let me turn y'all around so y'all can see me put it on. I go in with this and I just put it on my face, like make sure it's everywhere. Put my hair in the back and then I just rub. Okay. Boom. Okay. Alrighty. And then I just kind of like use my hand to dry it out. Because it is moisturizing my skin. That's literally the only thing that I use for when it comes to like me moisturizing my skin for my skincare routine. And then I go in with my primer, which is right here. Oops. It's the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I also have the spray too, but I can't find it. So for the spray that I'm going to be using is the LA Colors Mate Setting Spray. Helps extend the makeup wear and it works really, really well. It is cheaper than the Grip Primer. So if you're looking for like a cheaper one, I got this for $5 below and it was only $5. I forgot how much these are. This plus the setting spray, I forgot how much it is, but the setting spray is somewhere in my room, but I cannot find it right now. I cannot find it. So yeah, so oh, that's my stepdad downstairs. I'm like, who is that downstairs? That's my stepdad talking. So I'm just gonna put some on my face. At first I was gonna put it on my finger, but I was like, let me just put it on my face. I only put like small, as you can see, I'm only putting like small little ones because I don't need too much on my face. I don't put too much on my face. I think my stepdad is on the phone, so if you hear like my stepdad talking in the background, he is probably on the phone. Now that we got that, and then I just like to spray my face. I do like to spray my face. Spray the setting spray. That's how my makeup lasts long. Putting a setting spray before and after. Now we're gonna get into like our actual makeup, everything like that. I'm going to do my brows. I use my Anastasia Jet brow in the shade Ebony. That's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna come back on here if y'all wanna see how I do my eyebrows or like an eyebrows tutorial. I actually made an eyebrows tutorial. Go watch that video. And yeah, because eyebrows can take a hot little minute, so I don't want this video to be too long about eyebrows. And yeah, and then I'm going to use these for my under eye. And yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all on camera because this video is really about how I have my makeup last long. And for me, it's really about like the prepping, so the primer and everything and the setting spray. So if you want to see like me actually do my makeup and all that stuff, go watch my other makeup video. It's on my channel. I'll have it in the iCard. And yeah, because I don't want it to be repetitive. And okay, so y'all, my makeup is like done. I did it differently this time. I'm gonna do a full another like makeup routine because as you can see, like my lip combo is different and like the brows is different. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna go in and spray this on my face. And we just let it dry. It's so cold. Just let it dry. I'm just gonna fix my hair while I'm letting it dry. Oh yeah, I did put this heavy on y'all. Loki might put these glasses on so I can give off poison ivy. I don't know. I ain't do my fake beauty marks. I ain't do none of that. You know, chilling. We chilling. Don't let this dry. Hold on. Let me get my beauty fan. Cause I have a beauty fan. So this is the makeup look. This is how the makeup look came out. I did my makeup really differently. Something's different. I think it's my brows and the lip combo, and then of course I don't have like the beauty marks or anything, but I really feel like it's the brows. I feel like my brows are thicker than usual, which is cool because it's fitting with the hair and everything like that. The poofy hair action. I'm gonna do a routine for how I'm gonna do a video on how I did this, achieved this look. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video of me showing y'all how basically like my routine or how I get my makeup to last long throughout the day without it being like shiny and everything like that. The ring light is really like doing it to me. I don't really know why, but it's whatever. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you give a big thumbs up, subscribe, and have your post notifications on. I'm sorry y'all, I'm playing with my hair. Yes I am. Yes I am. I'm trying to like make sure it looks good. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, have your post notifications on, follow me on my socials, and I see you in the next YouTube video.